Good afternoon, friends. Now we have studied about the operators and we have left some more operators that will cover in this lecture. Now see the bitwise operators. In bitwise operators we have left the left shift operator. Now left shift operator is shift the bit into the left side. That means shift the bit in the left. Left shift operator is used to shift bits into left side. Now if we are going to see how it will work, then you can see that suppose that we have taken a value 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. Suppose that these are the values, all values, binary value. We want to left shift of this value. Now if we are going to write, suppose that this is the value of x. Suppose that this is the value of x. Now if we are going to shift x, left shift, this is the symbol of left shift, and here we have write the place, at what place we have going to shift the bit. Now 1, that means if we have written 1 here, that means 1 bit is shifted into left. If we are going to write 2 here, then 2 bit shifted to the left. Now see the result. Now this is your left shift, so this bit will be going to shift into left. That means now write it as shift this as the left. That means here this 0 is replaced by 1. Now this will become 1, 4 times 1 0 0. This is your left shift, and this 0 will added in the last. This 0 will fill with the blank place at the 0. Now you can see that this is the result of your left shift. This is left shift of one place. This is the left shift of one place. We have shifted the bit into left at one place. Now if we are going to see another example, you can take the next example. Suppose that we have taken x equal to 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 and 1. Now if we are going to write left shift at 2 place, that means x left shift 2 place. Now we are going to shift this as 2 place left. Now you can see that what will be the result. This is going to shift at 2 place. That means we start this 2 0 are excluded because we have shifting these all value in the left. That means हमें यहाँ से 2 शिफ्ट लेफ्ट करना है इस पूरे बिट को. सपोज दैट इस पूरे बिट को हमको क्या करना है, ये पूरा बिट है हमारा, ये पूरे बिट को 2 प्लेस लेफ्ट ले आना है. ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे 0 0 है, यहाँ से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे 1. दिस 1 भी going to here 2 place, this is also 2 place, this is also 2 place will be shifted. Now 1 1 0 0 0 1. Now here 2 place will be blank because we have shifted all the bits in left shift, and this will filled with the 0. Now this is your left shift. This is your left shift operator. Now I hope you have clearly understand the left shift operator. If again we have applied left shift, then we have to again shift this bit as 2 place, and the blank place will be filled with the 0. Now come to our right shift. Right shift operator is shift the bits into right side. This shift bits into right side. Into right side. For example, if we have taken x equal to now suppose that this is our value of x and we want to shift it with right shift. Now x right shift, this is the symbol of right shift and one place. Now what will be the result? All the bits going to shift into right side. That means this 0 is one place in right, shifted in one place right. This 0 is also shifted one place right. This one is takes this place of 0. This 0 will take the place of 1. This one will take the place of 0. This one is take the place of 1. Now similarly we can shift the bit into right side. Now see the result. Now we have shifted all bits into right. Now the result will be 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 and one place is blank from the left. Then we have filled the 0 in the left. Now this is your right shift. This is your right shift of one place. Now again if we are going to suppose that x equal to, we are going to take same example 00 11 00 11 01 00. Now if we are going to shift it right shift with two place. Now this all bit is shifted two place and two place right, and there are two blank in left that will fill with 0. Now shift the bit 1 0 1 1 0 0. Now 2 0 will be added in the left. This is your right shift operator. I hope you have clear understanding of right shift. Now I hope you have clear understanding of this thing. So that's why this is your bit of. Now this is the concept of right shift. Now in right shift or left shift, we have just shift the bit into right or left. That means this 2 0 will shift it 2 place left. Something here like, and in this order there is the 2 place in left will be blank and this will fill with 0. This is the concept of left and right shift. I hope you have understand the clear concept. Now next one is our member operators. Member operators, there are two member operators. First one is in, returns true if given sequence is present in the object. Second one is not in, that means returns true if given sequence is not present in object. Now see it with the example. Suppose that we have defined a list 1 equal to 2 4 5 6 7. Now if we are going to find out operator 2 in list 1, 2 in list 1, 2 is the list 1, that means this return true, this return 2. If we are going to have 2 not in लिस्ट 1, जबकि 2 यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है, 2 इज प्रेजेंट इन द लिस्ट एंड वी आर गोइंग टू चेक नॉट इन, दैट मीन्स 2 नहीं है लिस्ट में, 2 is present, that means this return false. This returns false. Similarly, in the case of a string, suppose that we have taken the string str1 equal to, suppose that python py. Now if we are going to check, suppose that py in str1, that means क्या py इस सीक्वेंस में प्रेजेंट है py इज प्रेजेंट, देन दिस विल रिटर्न ट्रू. If we are going to write it, suppose that hello in str1, this will return false because there is no hello word in this sequence python. Again, if we are going to write same py not in str1, then the result will be false. The result will be false because pi is present in the previous string. Here py is present in the python. Then if we are using not in, then this will return false. If we have written hello not in str1, then our result will be true. Because hello is not present in the python. This statement is true, then it returns true. So this is all about the operators, and in our next lecture we will see the topic evaluation of expression. Now thank you for watching today.